If you're someone who loves to see veggies grow fast, then you must check out these delicious and fast-growing vegetables for quick harvest. Number 1. Lettuce. When it comes to fast-growing vegetables, lettuce is our favorite. This crispy salad green has many qualities that make it a blessing for health. Number 2. Arugula. Also popular as rocket, arugula is an aromatic, peppery-flavored salad green. This easy-to-grow leafy green is fast-growing, and you can start to harvest it in just 20 to 21 days for baby leaves. Window boxes or other shallow but wide containers are suitable. You can place this edible where it will receive a fair amount of sun and plenty of moisture. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is one of the vegetables that can be grown in shade or sun. It grows easily in containers, and you can even plant it indoors on a windowsill. For growing spinach in pots, choose a pot that is at least 6 to 8 inches deep and use a quality potting mix that is rich in organic matter. Number 4. Beets. Growing beetroot in containers is quick and easy, and you don't need a large container to plant it. A container that is 6 to 8 inches deep and soil that's rich in compost is all you need. Its roots get ready to harvest in as little as 35 to 45 days, although you can harvest the greens within 2 to 3 weeks. Number 5. Radish. Radishes are one of the quickest growing vegetables and suitable for container vegetable gardening, as you can grow them in small pots. A planter that's 6 inches deep is enough, as they have a shallow root system. Radishes are ready to harvest within 24 to 60 days, depending on the variety. Number 6. Asian greens. Asian greens are great to grow in pots in shady spaces. They grow fast and don't need a lot of sunlight. You can grow them in a spot that only needs 3 to 4 hours of sun. Providing them with plenty of moisture and organic fertilizer is important. Bok choy is one of the Asian greens that get ready to harvest as soon as about 30 days for baby varieties. Number 7. Green onions. Green onions can be a crispy and delicious addition to your salad bowls and sandwiches. You can get enough harvest in a limited space, like a windowsill. Green onion stalks can be picked after 3 to 4 weeks. Number 8. Sprouts. If you're a little impatient with harvesting, grow sprouts. Sprouts can grow almost anywhere in your home. It's a rewarding experience as they grow easily and quickly. You only need a quart jar, a few tablespoons of sprouting seeds, and water. In a week, you'll have a jar full of healthy, delicate sprouts that can be sprinkled on salads, added to sandwiches, or tossed into soups for a delicious and healthful twist in your favorite recipes. Number 9. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a lesser-known annual Asian vegetable popularly used in the Indian subcontinent. It grows quickly when the temperature is warm. You can start this plant from seeds, just like spinach. Number 10. Peas. Within 2 to 3 months after planting, peas can be harvested. If you choose the right variety and optimal growing conditions, growing peas is super easy, even in containers. Number 11. Kale. Kale can tolerate some heat, but the best flavor comes when the weather cools down, especially in spring and fall. You can plant kale from early spring to late summer, and if you want to try this green in subtropical or tropical climates, winter is the right time for its growth. Number 12. Okra. Also known as ladyfinger, this slimy, sweet, warm-weather vegetable is a favorite of many Southerners and other parts of the world. No other vegetable can indeed taste like okra. Many okra varieties start to produce pods in just 50 days. And not only this, its flowers look beautiful too. Number 13. Mustard green. Like other greens, mustard is one of the fast-growing vegetables. It's easy to grow and prefers warm weather. You can use its tender leaves in salads. Many curry recipes include mustard leaves. Number 14. Tatsoy. This cool-temperature vegetable grows best in well-draining soil and bright sunlight. If grown under suitable growing conditions, the vegetable gets ready for harvest in 30 to 45 days. Number 15. Broccoli. If grown from seeds, this cool season vegetable prepares for harvest in 80 to 100 days. However, if you want an early harvest, cultivate it from transplants. Number 16. Cucumber. To enjoy the sweet, tender, and juicy taste of cucumbers, you may pick them 50 to 70 days from sowing. grow the cucumbers in bright sunlight for fuller fruits. Number 17. Baby zucchini. This rapid grower bears fruits within 50 to 60 days of sowing. Make sure to grow the compact, bushy variety that'll thrive in pots for a tasty harvest. Number 18. Turnip. One of the fastest growing veggies, turnips can be picked within 30 days of sowing. Harvest the vegetable early to enjoy the tender and juicy flavor. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.